And we've travelled away to Oasis. Let's go.
I'm trying to make a way.
Yeah.
Oh no!
I had no idea.
This has been a bad day.
Was not the one.
Oh no!
You got it though.
You got
Yeah,
it.
it wasn't that difficult. It was just
How did you do it?
first time.
Oh, the mini ball actually goes stupidly fast. Oh, the mini ball.
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different kind of G.
But yeah, no, I'm actually knackered.
Yeah.
You're knackered yet. You're gonna stay up till like 7 AM today.
Oh, that's the plan, mate. I try and sneak in a little nap. Or
He's making me yawn now.
Yeah, or I might just have some filthy.
I want to. No, what are you doing?
I think it's because I haven't eaten today, so like I actually have no energy, so I'm knackered. I'll probably go downstairs, get some golden vegetable rice, and then be living life again.
Eat a banana.
No.
Right.
Eat a massive dick.
I'll have golden vegetable rice, Uncle Ben's, mate.
Eat a dick.
Oh, so you ate that?
That was-
Jesus Christ,
That
that's
was
horrible.
gross. Sure. I'm not, yeah, I guess I am weird. But it says I'm not weird. I'm a mix of not. I'm up there for the glade. I'm up there for the glade.
No, you can't do that way.
You not?
No.
Hi, Bez.
You sure? I feel like
Yeah.
it's got there for a reason.
Oh.
No, you could.
Wait, why am I
Please,
getting
no.
7?
No, you
No!
So at the start, you need to get a lot of them.
Oh, how have I
to
done
get
that?
into momentum and speed and
There's something
violence.
wrong with me. There's actually something wrong with my head.
What?
You don't know what I'm doing here. This is.
It's got a big dent in it.
Wait, where's?
Brain.
Where can I get through here? Can I
This
get down
brings me
here?
back to the good old days of fucking raging over shit.
Yeah,
like this.
bro, this game.
No,
This game.
Oh my god, I can't get out.
How about out?
Hey, Lachlan. I was a little bit to the.
You don't deserve help.
I don't
right now.
know where my ball is right now. It's just,
Oh, cuck off. Toby, I need you to go, otherwise.
Oh, that's too high.
Yeah.
Wait, I can go into another hole.
I don't know what hole you lot are doing, by the way.
Batman.
I've finished.
Shut up, Ethan. All right.
Oh, you actually hit it really soft. Not that soft.
Oh,
Oh
come
no!
on.
Please don't be in bounds. I beg. If this is
I'm
in bounds.
sorry.
Oh my god, imagine. No.
Oh, thank God.
now we can play first to 10 points. It's gonna randomly pop on the screen, and we have to have a buzzer. Do you have a buzzer?
As in like a. Shall I make a noise?
Yeah.
Okay, mine is.
What is
Well, I
that?
just got frauded.
Yes, I
went
landed
the whole
like
spiral.
next to the hole.
Hey!
No! My video's bang! I panicked in the end!
Okay, I'm at the end.
The worst thing is my videos don't bang at all.
I'm at the end. I'm waiting. That 14th is mad.
11.
I think he's gonna do it.
Sorry, dude. Sounds pal.
Oh, I had a good comeback though.
I'm just happy I died less than
Right.
one.
I think you're a oh, hello.
I blew up.
Circle down.
Watch out.
How did you survive?
I didn't.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump over you. Oh my god, what the fuck? What?
WTF.
Hey!
What was that?
Did you survive it, Josh?